Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Spider-Man 2 EMF Suit Not Unlocking. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. The first thing that you can do is to complete the EMF experiences. So just make sure that you have completed all 9 of the EMF experiences, and you can verify your progress by accessing the in-game menu and then navigating to the collections and then activities. Go to the side missions and then click the EMF experiences. And moreover, you should see all 9 experiments marked with green check marks. The next what you can do is to interact with the science trophy confirm. So you can check this by accessing the in-game again menu and then select the collections and then go to trophies. And further look for the bronze trophies titled Just Let Go, which is rewarded for interacting with the science trophy. Then next what you can do is to restart the game. So restarting, or if you have completed both of the steps that I've told you, I've showed you, but the EMF suit still hasn't unlocked, you can try restarting your game. So restarting can refresh your data and trigger the cutscene where Peter reflects on his friendship with Finn. And moreover, you can update the game and make sure that your game is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Game developers often release updates to address these known issues and improve the game's performance. And then lastly, what you can do is to contact support. So if the problem continues, just please contact the game's customer support or the platform you are playing on. And also, they can provide additional assistance and guidance for resolving the issue. So you can follow the steps, increases the likelihood of unlocking the EMF suit and thoroughly enjoying the game. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.